Hey guys, I'm Nathan and welcome back to another Chrome Valley customer update. So, alright, we got this here. Let's go ahead and read it and see. And as we can see by the picture, it looks like they're celebrating something, or there's a party. Let's go ahead and check that out and see what it says. Is there anything better than tailgating with friends? What's your go-to grilling menu? That's probably pizza, isn't it? It's on that table, on that card right there. That pizza, or on that table. Look, that slice of pizza. Oh, let me have it. So yeah, I like that pizza. That's my go-to. Yeah. So yeah. That was a post from Chrome Custom Update. This was 2 weeks ago, and yeah. Alright, so yeah. Looks like we got a new car here. New vehicle right here to restore. This was 2 weeks ago. This Buffalo would benefit from some new paint and tires and glass, maybe an engine. Hashtag Chrome Valley Customs, hashtag help one. Alright, so yeah. That's a just be vehicle. Yep, this is it. The Buffalo. Yeah, this is it. The Buffalo. Jesse is back with his mom Stacy in a battle scarred Buffalo. Grab the update from the app Play Store. And let's do it. Okay. So, this was 12 days ago. Alright, so this is 9 days ago. Learn more about the interesting background of the Masley Buffalo. Alright. So yeah. Game was not open, bro. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and read it. Buffalo. The Buffalo's origins trace back to a military design known as the Buffalo, or the bulletproof ultra fast automotive localist vehicle. Alright, car crisis and customers were quick to pan the civil model for its extensive weight, poor handling, and extreme gas consumption. Okay. Masley Farm Co. The Buffalo was This continued just 2 years after its release, with many models languishing in dealership lots. Thanks to its scarcity and unusual origins, the Massey Buffalo has since gained a surprising second life on the car restoration community. Alright, so yeah, that was the Massey Buffalo. Okay, we got this here. This was 3 hours ago. Sometimes the best plans just avalanche on you. Okay, so Avalanche. We got an avalanche here. It looks like a winter type post. Winter looking post right here. We got a car here, as you can see. And yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this Chromatic Custom update. Go down the description, you'll find everything that you need. I'm active on Facebook, and I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, see you next time.